The air in your home or business might not be as clean as it seems. Your AC filter helps, but it can't catch everything. Dust, pet hair, and allergens can still make their way through. They travel through your ductwork and re-enter your space. The dirt builds up inside your ducts. Layer by layer, it sticks to the duct walls. The more it builds up, the more it circulates through your air. This can trigger allergies, asthma, and musty smells. It can also force your AC to work harder and raise energy bills. That's why it's essential to clean your AC ducts regularly. At CoolSquad Air Conditioning, we specialize in AC duct cleaning in Miami. We thoroughly and safely remove dust, buildup, debris, and contaminants. Our service helps your system run better and your air stay cleaner. If you're searching for AC air duct cleaning near me, we're here to help. Our team is fast, professional, and locally based in all cities of Miami-Dade. Picture a home or office where every breath feels fresh and your AC works effortlessly. Everyone can enjoy a cooler space with cleaner air and fewer health issues. Call CoolSquad today to schedule your AC duct cleaning. Reliable service, real results.